Hello everyone, and welcome to a tutorial on how to make a Minecraft server 1.3 with or without Hamachi, so port forwarding or non-port forwarding, either way, that'll work. So basically what we're going to do first, with the port forwarding, I'll do the port forwarding first. The first thing you want to do is type CMD on Windows 7, or find your command prompt on your computer. Type that in, or command prompt, whatever, open that. We're just being a douche. Don't worry about Windows not genuine, whatever. Oh, there we go, whatever. Alright. Then what you want to do is you want to type ipconfig. And I'll put that in the description so you can see that. You're going to find your IPv4 address, and mine is 192.168.0.40. Remember that, or just kind of put it up inside. Then type that in your address bar, so 192.168, I believe it's 0.40, no, it's IPv6, I believe. It is, it's your default gateway, sorry, I'm doing it. So, mine's 1. And this, for CMC, and it works for everything else, it's just, this has been a 64-bit, make sure you remember that. And then you go to setting up a server again, and I believe copy this, or not actually, yeah, okay, here, sorry, so make a new, no, you want to go right click, where's a new, I'm going to go to, text document, there you go, and just name it start, whatever you want to call it, and you want to copy that in. Oh, that's not it. I'm going to go here, copy that, put that in there, make sure everything's that, and if that doesn't work, try this one, and if that doesn't work, try that one, and if not, then you've done something wrong. So then once you've done that, you go file, save, you go file, save as, you go to that same folder, and you go to text document, go all files, and go to start, let's put start, server.bat, so bat.bat file, save it, go back to the server, and you see this server.bat, and double click that, alright, that's right. Alright. What is wrong here? That should work, but for some reason it didn't work for me. Let me see my other code for my actual server. Okay, this is the one for me. This is a different one. Alright, so you want to type this. I'll put this in the description. Type that in. Try that now. There we go. So now it's going to start loading all this stuff. It's going to load all the server properties and such. Wait for that to do its thing. Don't worry about the FPS, don't worry about this. It's just, yeah, I'm a hardcore. Alright, so just wait for that to do its thing. And then once you're done that, you'll see all this stuff pop up. So there's Bukkit and blah blah blah. Do not double click this. And there's nothing really to worry about on any of this. And it's done, see? So you can just type save all and stop. I really couldn't give a crap about that. Alright, so plugins, you have none. So plugins are basically stuff you can add to the server to make it helpful. So basically you've done that, you've done the server, so you already port forwarded. So now what you want to do, if you want to add plugins, you go into the plugins folder, and you download a plugin such as, I'm just gonna put something like Essentials. Well, I don't use Essentials, but I'm typing it in. I really need to defrag my computer. It's slowing down. There we go. I believe this is, oh, that's 1.5. What's 1.3? I don't know what's 1.3. I'll just type 1.3. Alright, what is a good plugin I could use? I don't know how to use. Fine. Alright, well, I can't find any. I think anti-version maybe. I guess we can do permissions EX. Alright, I guess I'll type permissions. Permission. Did they really get permissions here? I don't know. But I have a plugin called Permissions EX on my actual server. I hope they didn't get rid of Permissions EX. So you get that, search it up somehow and you'll get it. Get that, download it, and you'll have this one folder. And so what you're gonna do with the jar, so pretend I'll just click it. And so you want to grab whatever thing that you want to use. So I'm gonna grab mob disguise. Maybe that's there. You want to put it in the plugins folder for that server, and that will be done. Then you want to run the server, and then there'll be a folder for it. So yes, that's how you install plugins for that. And now, and people that did Hamachi, by the way, if you're using Hamachi, it's the exact same except you need Hamachi. So I'm just gonna relog me in Hamachi. Alright. You're gonna download that, I'll put a link in the description, and you wanna go, once you're done all that, you go through the setup, you start, hit the power button, wait till it's done, all that stuff, and go to network, create a new network, or if you want to join someone else's network to join their Hamachi server, you could type whatever, so I'll just put poopy, password 123. Poopy. Alright, that works, and then you just need another password, and then you can give the people, or you can just set access, and then you don't need to require passwords to anyone to join as long as they know the username. And then everything else is the same. If you want to know the IP for your public server, you go whatismyip.org or something like that, or .com. Or you just type what is my IP, and then it will show you somewhere. It should. Google should automatically tell you what is my IP. There we go. It's right there. That's your IP address. So yes, or if it's a Hamachi, you don't need to change anything. And if you want to do the server property so it's whitelisted, you can just edit with Notepad++, or just edit it basically. I just use this Notepad++. So you want to go level name, world, whatever. That's the defaults, whatever one you want to run on. Allow fight, you can do true, false, whatever. Keep all this the same, keep that the same. Or you can change that if you want. Level seed, you can change that. Server IP, you don't have to. It won't really change anything, but yeah, you can change that thing, or the height. NPCs, whitelist, if you want a whitelist, just put true. And then Control S, animals, blah blah blah, PvP. Game mode, whatever, max players, you could do. The hell I could care, MOTD, so if you add a server in Minecraft, you can, like, add the IP and everything. So just watch here. You can add a server, and right here it will say like 1.3 upgrade, blah blah blah. You can add a server, blah blah. And I could type whatever my Hamachi IP is. 5.6. Actually, I could just type my server, and then my server's right there. By the way, if what your IP is, you'll give that to people to join. You cannot use that to join yourself. You have to use your IPv4. Yeah, you have to use your IPv4 to join. So once you've done all that, blah blah blah, you can start it up. If you're Portforwarding, if you use Hamachi, you have to join with the or you can either join with the Hamachi or localhost. Like you can type localhost and direct connect like that. Goes that. Yeah, then you could add permissions, like the owner and such. it's a whitelist. I had a whitelist here. If I try to join when I start up the server, there's no plugin. This shouldn't be too bad. Okay, done. Alright, yeah, it's done. It should be. Alright, with that, yes, it's done. Alright, refresh. It's just that I join it. It's just not whitelist. Okay. That is weird. This, I guess they haven't updated Bukkit for 1.3. I've heard they have, but I guess not. So, maybe do this if you watch this video on August 3rd. Just wait a bit. Make sure you know Bukkit's out for 1.3, but it does work. 1.3, you can get the actual, just normal vanilla server from, the actual website. I can start this up and wait for it to start. Oh yeah, the server is already on the port. Alright, so let's just... Yeah, alright. You start the server. It runs. Sorry for the people in the background, they're asses. See, and then you join. And what? Sorry about that. The server will start and blah blah blah. It says I'm not whitelisted. Or I'm using Notice. I believe I'm just because I'm using Notice client. Not sure. One of those two. Actually, let me just force update Minecraft because it should work. Options. Force update. Alright. Login. So that will work. Probably cut this part out when it's done. And yeah, I'll tell you the server. And the whitelist people, you go to the whitelist.txt, add the people, like my name, I'll add my name. And let's see if I can do it now. Alright, a Minecraft server. Okay, whatever, it's outdated, whatever, because Bukkit isn't updated because they're assholes. Alright, but it does work, I can promise you that. You just have to wait till Bukkit updates, I guess. But that's a Bukkit server, and vanilla is basically just downloading it from the Minecraft website. Right here. Or the jar. So, yeah, it's how to make a Minecraft Bukkit server slash vanilla. I'm just tired of that. Yeah, so just yeah, to have thumbs up the video if you liked it, if you want more like this, whatever. Just thumbs it up or send me a message, I don't really care. I'm not asking you to really thumbs it up, just if you want more, go ahead. We don't really do much tutorials on here. I'm just more bored than anything. So, I don't want to do Minecraft gaming or whatever, but this isn't really a Minecraft channel. It is, but it's not. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Where you can delete the text file. Thanks for watching. Don't open server log, because it will take forever once it's done. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like, comment, rate, or just comment really if you liked it, if it works. When the new Bukkit comes out, if you need any help, add me on Skype. There will be an annotation right here, or you can add me on Skype because my profile's right there. My Skype name should be somewhere. I'll actually add a photo of it. There we go. Oh, God damn it. This will be in the description. That's my Skype name. Alright. So I'll catch you guys later.